Yo, yo, yo. Happy weekend, Emily. And obviously, your sisters, Lizzie and Natasha. Obviously, whole the family, the entire family, right? Enjoy every time, every second, every moment, and your holidays and your vacations. Because this is most importantly, actually, this is more importantly, enjoy your fathers in everything in general. All right. But also, I wanted to tell you, don't worry if you can't stream. Don't worry about that. Just don't do it. But if you do, let me know. Alright? I just remind you. Uh, oh yeah, and also regards to your brothers-in-law. Oh yeah, and finally, as you can see, I love to be in touch with nature. This is absolutely, truly, because the nature is better. It's better. It may be something else. Yeah. Many people around the world, I love the nature, the skies, uh, the sun, the shining, the trees. It's absolutely amazing, right? It's okay, Omar. It's okay. Don't worry if you can't swim. Doesn't matter. Honestly, I don't care. The most important is the feelings by their cat